The hotel sector in the Philippines continued its steady growth in 2016, and a key indicator of this growth is in the foreign visitor arrivals. We saw an increase to 5.96 million foreign visitor arrivals to the Philippines, and that was an increase of 11% from 2015. The main driver of this growth continues to be South Korea, as they are head and shoulders the #1 international travelers to the Philippines. The key indicator that we see for growth continues to come from China. The number of Chinese nationals applying for tourist visas to the Philippines increased from a 400-day average in Q3 2016 to 1,400 a day in Q4. We believe that's a direct correlation to the president's trip to China in October and overall warming relations. The hotel occupancy in Metro Manila increased in the fourth quarter to an overall occupancy of 71%, and this was an increase of 2 percentage points from 69% in Q2. Overall, for 2016, we saw the occupancies level off at 70% for the year. And we believe that the successful hosting of the ASEAN Tourism Forum, the Routes Asia, APEC Summit, and the recent Miss Universe pageant has helped increase arrivals in the Philippines and helped put the Philippines on the map as an attractive MICE destination in the region. We see a number of factors impacting the hotel sector in 2017. The most important factor that we feel that will impact the market is going to be the increase in room supply. So we're looking at a steady increase in supply in 2017. In Metro Manila alone, we're looking at an increase in 4,000 rooms. Now, more than half of those hotel rooms that are expected to be completed this year will come from casino hotel projects. So 1,000 of the keys of those will come from Okada alone. When we think that this could depress occupancy rates in Pasay City and Entertainment City. If you go back to our previous slide, we saw an occupancy percentage in 2016 of 70% for the year, and we see occupancy rates really hovering in that 65 to 70%, despite the fact that we're anticipating an increase in foreign tourist arrivals, and this has to do with the dramatic increase in stock. Now, the opportunities that we see and what's going to impact the market is the increase in the quality of affordable and 3-star accommodation. This is very popular among foreign tourists, including those from the West, Japan, Taiwan, and China. Double Dragon alone has already committed for another 5 Xinjiang hotels throughout the Philippines. And we see a number of major international events that the country will host in 2017 that will impact the market. The best recommendation that I can give to industry players and stakeholders in the hotel sector, whether you're a hotel operator or a hotel owner or someone that's looking to get into the hotel business, is to differentiate your product. The market is getting far more competitive. As we mentioned in the last slide, in Metro Manila alone, we're looking at an increase in rooms of another 4,000 keys in 2017. And with that increase in rooms, we're seeing a big increase in quality. The foreign tourists that are coming to the Philippines expect a better quality room at a good price. And so the more differentiated your product it is, the better you're going to set yourself out from your competitors. As well as not just with the foreign tourists, you have a change in demographics in the Philippines. This is a very young population, and the hotel rooms that appeal to your baby boomers and Gen Xers is far different than what appeals to the millennial crowd. There's a number of international brands that have developed product for this demographic, and I think by either tying up with an international operator or creating a boutique hotel to help differentiate your product will really set you up for success, not just for 2017, but beyond.